All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing none other than Solana. As we're starting off Tuesday morning, Solana is once again the top gainer in the top 100 coins, up 8.8%. And I'm sure right now all the haters right now are speechless at this point, which is really, really funny, of course. But let's take a look at what's happening and where we could see the price of Solana really going as we do go further into this week ahead of us. As always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at BTC is once again pushing above $35,000. But if we're looking at Solana, guys, in the top 10 coins, once again continuing this upwards trend for Sol, up 21.3% on the weekly time frame, up 8.8% in the last 24 hours. Things are looking really, really good. If we're looking at the price, $43.87, up 8.8% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 7.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $18.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $1.7 billion. Something I was talking about on Solana, regarding Solana actually over the past few updates, is actually happening as we speak. And what I'm really talking about is, the potential of a meme coin season starting. We have seen one of the meme coins on Solana called Bonk. If you guys are familiar with this project earlier this year, it's killing it right now. And in my opinion, the reason as to why this is the case is because Solana is killing it right now. And if you look at it, it's up right now 375% over the past 30 days. It's really making some moves right now. And I think this could start a meme coin rally on the Solana blockchain. I still think that is possible because people are starting to realize, that this really is, a Ethereum potential killer, and we might see more developer interest than ever coming in to Solana. We did hear like 2-3 weeks back there was a project called OPOS, which was only possible on Solana, which made insane gains. But remember, guys, meme coins are really, really risky. This does not mean you go and invest into meme coins. I'm just saying this can bring in a lot of attention to Solana, because if there are more meme coins that are exploding, guess what's going to happen? A lot of people on crypto Twitter are going to start talking about it, and when that happens, more eyes on Solana, more people flocking on towards Solana. So this is what a meme coin and an NFT season really does. But let's take a look at the price. But before we do that, I took a poll yesterday, guys, just 16 hours ago, and as of now 550 votes have come in. So I asked my community members, which project do you really consider as the ETH killer? And you can see 41% of the 550 votes are towards Solana, 28% are voting for Cardano, and 32% think none of them. And some people think there is some other project that will take over, but this really shows that Solana is really the one that people think will take over Ethereum in terms of development side of things. But let's take a look at the price of Solana right now and see what is happening. So as we speak, as of November the 7th, you can see the price is once again forming a green candle. And if I were to bring out the daily time frame, you guys will be able to understand this better. So you can see this for yourself, guys. This chart speaks for itself at this point. If I were to bring out the measuring tool, you can see for yourself we're only about 8.12% away for us to hit a new yearly high. And now the next target, if this momentum does carry on, I could see a $48.40 Solana coming in the next few days. That is that next major level of resistance, which is at that $48.46. And if we're able to clear out of that zone, guess what? Back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which we have not been in since May 9th of last year. And this is where I think the fun begins. This is where that FOMO feeling comes in. But remember, profit taking could happen. You never know. But overall, Solana has been, killing it lately. You guys can see this for yourself. Let me take you guys down memory lane and let me give you guys an understanding as to why this is so important. And you can see this for yourself. Last time the price of Solana was able to break out of this level of resistance, we saw that massive rally, especially once it got back into the 78.6. But of course, at that time around, we were in, this was considered, all-time high zone. So of course now, as we're breaking out, it's not going to be as fast because, resistances will come in the way. But, it's one step at a time. It's baby steps. It's not happening overnight. It's baby steps. And, Solana is making some massive headlines. And that's what you want to see happen. So great things definitely looking. I'm sure haters are speechless at this point. If we're looking at BTC, Bitcoin momentum once again is looking great. You can see this for yourself, guys. You can't make this up. We're seeing BTC literally 2% away. Look at this for yourself. Bitcoin is 2% away for it to hit a new yearly high. And we could be making our way back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level in the next few hours. And if that happens, that can really help Solana as well push, because we're seeing a huge positive correlation between Solana and BTC right now. So I'm thinking Solana is going to continuously outpace, BTC if Bitcoin continues this upwards trajectory that it's seeing. Because, if we're looking at the entire market right now, not everything is having a positive correlation. The reason why, because dominance is picking up once again, which I've mentioned to you guys. Bitcoin dominance is picking up. That is really affecting majority of the altcoins to be in red right now. So these are some factors that you need to keep in mind. But we've continuously seen over the past 1 month and a half to 2 months, Solana either has been outpacing BTC or continuing to hold even when dominance tends to increase. So that is a huge bullish momentum that should not be ignored. And I'm projecting a $48 Solana if things do clear up. If Bitcoin pushes back into the 0.50, we could be seeing a $48 Solana coming in the next few days. And of course, that is going to, in my opinion, break the cryptocurrency, crypto Twitter, because people are going to go crazy after that. And remember, this is something that continuously shocks me. The opportunity was right there for everyone. Of course, there's going to be thousands of people coming in and saying, oh, Solana, we missed it, this and that. But, the opportunity was there. And this is why there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. The ones that were being greedy within this accumulation zone, especially when it was breaking below this accumulation zone for, 2 to 3 weeks time frame, people that were picking up around here, those are the real winners in my opinion. And I saw some comments coming in yesterday saying, oh, this is just a move like earlier this year and we're going to go back down. No, absolutely not, because look, we broke out of that resistance earlier this year, but we never managed to actually close above here, pretty much still held within this range. So it's not the same. We have seen Solana break out, and the FOMO speaks for itself. The amount of interest Solana is gaining speaks for itself. And who knows if there is an institution that's going to come and even possibly come and make an announcement that they do hold Solana in their books. We never know, but things are definitely heating up, and you can't make this up. I will keep you guys updated as always on the Solana updates. Thank you to each and every one of you guys for killing it with the support. I will keep bringing these updates for you guys. Just continue supporting and continue subscribing and hitting that red subscribe button, and follow me on Twitter if you have not already done so. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.